In Kentucky, deadly floodwaters began to recede, giving us a closer look at the devastation left behind, especially in remote areas. The death toll remains at 37. The number of those unaccounted for has fallen to 3. Justin Michaels from our partners at the Weather Channel is on the scene.
In the small town of Neon, Kentucky, devastation and destruction can be found everywhere.
We're used to some flooding and some water up in the street, and we can deal with that. But when it gets 10 or 12 feet in the street and takes out every single business, it has impacted everybody's life.
After the floodwaters receded, as much as 2 feet of mud covered nearly every street and building here, including the only pharmacy in town. Now, everyone is pitching in, trying to clean up.
I don't think they'll ever get back to the stage that they were before this disaster happened.
Tom King has lived in Neon his entire life. His auto collision shop has been in the family for 66 years. It was destroyed, flooded under nearly 10 feet of water.
What do you personally need for your business?
I don't know where to start at. Honestly, I don't know where to start. I've lost everything I had. My whole livelihood's gone.
Many roads and bridges are still impassable here, but residents in McRoberts, Kentucky took matters into their own hands, banding together to build this makeshift bridge, since it is the only lifeline to get in and out of town.
I thought it was going to be months before I could even get out of here. All of our community came in together and we got it done.
But as the cleanup and rebuilding slowly begins, Governor Beshear says the threat isn't over, as dangerous heat is expected this week.
Biggest concern for today and tomorrow is the weather. It is very, very hot.
A bit of concern, there is more rain forecast this weekend. And as for McRoberts and their makeshift bridge, if that washes away, and there is some concern for that, they'll simply rebuild it again. Major?
Justin Michaels, we thank you.